we're going into a frog pose. You can do this without a wall, but I like to place my feet here to ensure my alignment. Place your hands and knees on the ground to a tabletop position. Walk your knees out and gently sit the hip back. Five more seconds, and we will stay in this position for the next variation. Now imagine drawing a line between the knees. Check if your hip is above the line. Make sure it doesn't sink forward for the next step. When you are ready, lay your upper body down. You can move your knees further out, but keep trying to keep your hip position.